Introducing the innovative, portable, and brand new BlowBeast by Rotobrush. More than ever, homeowners want to keep their air clean, and BlowBeast can help you deliver just that. BlowBeast is unlike any negative air equipment on the market. With a removable pod, it's more portable than anything you've ever used before. Simple controls make operating the BlowBeast easy, which can help when working in small spaces. It provides superior airflow and the high vacuum necessary to effectively remove airborne dust and pollutants from any air duct system. Equipped with a two-stage filtration system, it captures and collects dirt, dust, and airborne particles. Rotobrush has been an industry leader for over 20 years, and BlowBeast is the newest addition to our family of equipment that will strengthen your business and your bottom line. Talk to a Rotobrush sales representative today about BlowBeast.